Morning, Tom. Time to face the day. Now everyone repeat after me. Morning, Tom. Time to face the day.
Morning. I'm still groggy. What's the hour? Now everyone repeat after me. Morning. I'm still groggy. What's the hour?
7 on the dot. School waits for no one. Now everyone repeat after me. 7 on the dot. School waits for no one.
Already? Give me 5 more minutes. Now everyone repeat after me. Already? Give me 5 more minutes.
No dice. We'll wind up late. Up you get. Now everyone repeat after me. No dice. We'll wind up late. Up you get.
All right, I'm vertical. Now everyone repeat after me. All right, I'm vertical.
Good. Did sleep treat you kindly? Now everyone repeat after me. Good. Did sleep treat you kindly?
Out like a light. You? Now everyone repeat after me. Out like a light. You?
Not bad. Had a truly odd dream. Now everyone repeat after me. Not bad. Had a truly odd dream.
Save the tail. Let's get moving first. Now everyone repeat after me. Save the tail. Let's get moving first.
I'm off to brush my teeth. Now everyone repeat after me. I'm off to brush my teeth.
Same here. Have you seen my toothbrush? Now everyone repeat after me. Same here. Have you seen my toothbrush?
In the cup by the basin. Now everyone repeat after me. In the cup by the basin.
Spotted it. Thanks. Now everyone repeat after me. Spotted it. Thanks.
And don't skip washing your face. Now everyone repeat after me. And don't skip washing your face.
Won't. Are you hopping in the shower now? Now everyone repeat after me. Won't. Are you hopping in the shower now?
Yep, a lightning rinse. 10 minutes tops. Now everyone repeat after me. Yep, a lightning rinse. 10 minutes tops.
I'll queue up after you. Now everyone repeat after me. I'll queue up after you.
Step lively, Mom's whipping up breakfast. Now everyone repeat after me. Step lively, Mom's whipping up breakfast.
Morning, you two. Breakfast is ready.
Now, everyone, repeat after me.
Morning, you two. Breakfast is ready.
Morning, Mom. Now everyone repeat after me. Morning, Mom.
Hey Mom, what's on the menu? Now everyone repeat after me. Hey Mom, what's on the menu?
Eggs, toast, and fruit. Juice or coffee?
Now, everyone, repeat after me.
Eggs, toast, and fruit. Juice or coffee?
Juice, please. Orange. Now everyone repeat after me. Juice, please. Orange.
Coffee for me, black. Now everyone repeat after me. Coffee for me, black.
Here we go. 1 orange juice, 1 black coffee.
Now, everyone, repeat after me.
Here we go. 1 orange juice, 1 black coffee.
Thanks. This looks scrumptious. Now everyone repeat after me. Thanks. This looks scrumptious.
And it smells fantastic. Butter, please, she's. Now everyone repeat after me. And it smells fantastic. Butter, please, she's.
Passing it over. Now everyone repeat after me. Passing it over.
Eat heartily. You'll need the fuel.
Now, everyone, repeat after me.
Eat heartily. You'll need the fuel.
Thanks for cooking, Mom. Now everyone repeat after me. Thanks for cooking, Mom.
These eggs are spot on today. Now everyone repeat after me. These eggs are spot on today.
What's on your schedule at school?
Now, everyone, repeat after me.
What's on your schedule at school?
Math this morning, English after lunch. Now everyone repeat after me. Math this morning, English after lunch.
I've got science and then sports. Now everyone repeat after me. I've got science and then sports.
Sounds good. And your homework accounted for?
Now, everyone, repeat after me.
Sounds good. And your homework accounted for?
Already tucked in my bag. Now everyone repeat after me. Already tucked in my bag.
Uh-oh, I think mine's missing. Now everyone repeat after me. Uh-oh, I think mine's missing.
Come on, Tom. Again? Now everyone repeat after me. Come on, Tom. Again?
Check your pack. Did it make it in?
Now, everyone, repeat after me.
Check your pack. Did it make it in?
Found it. False alarm. Now everyone repeat after me. Found it. False alarm.
You'd misplace your own shadow. Now everyone repeat after me. You'd misplace your own shadow.
Exactly why being on time with prep matters.
Now, everyone, repeat after me.
Exactly why being on time with prep matters.
Got it. I'll tighten up. Now everyone repeat after me. Got it. I'll tighten up.
I'm ready to roll. Now everyone repeat after me. I'm ready to roll.
Same. Where did I stash my backpack? Now everyone repeat after me. Same. Where did I stash my backpack?
By the door. Now everyone repeat after me. By the door.
Figures. I misplace it daily. Thanks. Now everyone repeat after me. Figures. I misplace it daily. Thanks.
Lunchboxes packed?
Now, everyone, repeat after me.
Lunchboxes packed?
We do.
Now everyone repeat after me.
We do.
Good. Jacket's on. There's a nip in the air.
Now, everyone, repeat after me.
Good. Jacket's on. There's a nip in the air.
Let's move, Tom. Now everyone repeat after me. Let's move, Tom.
Hold up. I still need my shoes. Now everyone repeat after me. Hold up. I still need my shoes.
Make haste. Now everyone repeat after me. Make haste.
All right. I'm set now. Now everyone repeat after me. All right. I'm set now.
Have a wonderful day, you two.
Now, everyone, repeat after me.
Have a wonderful day, you two.
Thanks, Mom. See you after school. Now everyone repeat after me. Thanks, Mom. See you after school.
Bye, Mom. Take it easy. Now everyone repeat after me. Bye, Mom. Take it easy.
Goodbye, and don't let the bell beat you.
Now, everyone, repeat after me.
Goodbye, and don't let the bell beat you.
No worries. We've got it. Now everyone repeat after me. No worries. We've got it.
Jeez, move. It's our bus. Thanks so much for joining me in today's conversation. I hope you found it helpful and fun. If you're learning English, remember, every conversation is a step forward. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an episode. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep speaking, keep learning, and stay confident. Bye for now.